Her name is Mina Amin, and she is from Kassel. And 1 year ago, she did her bed, and on 29th December, it was her civil marriage. And next week, it will be, or in 2 weeks, it will be her nikah, inshallah.
Acha, mashallah. Okay. Next.
Assalamu alaikum. Herzlichen Dank.
She's 59 years old, and she's from Groß-Gerau. And in October 2017, she did her bed, and she's requesting her directors for prayers for her husband, that he may accept her religion now, and that he may also find the truth and join Ahmadiyya.
She should also pray for him. Allah Ta'ala accept her prayers and bless her husband also with the true teaching of Islam. And but apart from not being an Ahmadi, otherwise his relations with her are good at home. He doesn't object on her practicing Islam.
He doesn't like it, but she is trying to act positively and trying to be a good wife, so that he sees that this way which she has chosen is good for her, and she will. She also says she will not let herself pull away from it.
If she is happy with her marriage life, then it's okay. She should continue like this, and just pray for him that he also accept Ahmadiyya, and show much better behavior than it used to be in the past. Okay?
Okay, vielen Dank.
Assalamu alaikum.